Hi, I'm Danny Roth, and I'm the Director of Recreation for the Township of Wellesley. The old community centre in Wellesley was going into a decommission mode, so the community came together and recognized that the way of the future for this community was a multi-use recreation complex. We toured a lot of facilities and we heard a lot of positive feedback about Ball construction. The whole process was fantastic with Ball from day one. They understood that this was a generational community project. They understood that we're a small municipality. They understood the budget constraints that we were under, and with escalating prices all over the world, to be able to stay on budget on this project, it's a pretty proud moment for the township. In this facility, there is a gymnasium that also serves as a community center. So a day like today, you're seeing a seniors lunch happening in there. And tonight, you'll see pickleball and volleyball happening in the space. The walking track, that's just the highlight of this facility. All the residents, be it 5 years old to 90 years old, they're in there using this walking track. Just last week, I had a resident in and she had a hip surgery and she can't walk on the sidewalks in the winter. She needs a space to be able to walk to rehab. She's here every day. To hear those stories, that's something this community could not provide in the past, and now we can. So it's just outstanding. And then of course it's the ice rink. It's the NHL-sized ice rink that all the teams love. Visiting centers that come into this facility just rave about this facility. And then our home team, they're just so proud to call this home. In November of 2023, the ice surface opened. There was hoarding walls put up in the lobby to keep people out of construction areas. They were very on top of health and safety throughout the project to make sure that areas of the facility that weren't open were secured, that people couldn't access. Greg was the site super for the majority of the project. He was on top of health and safety on a daily basis. There was no concerns with Ball construction from a health and safety standpoint. One thing that we decided to add in late in the project was the mini stick rink at the back of the arena. The kids just love it. They're not in the lobby playing mini sticks anymore, they're up in the mini rink. When we opened up, that was a feature that a lot of people didn't know was coming. And then the center score clock, that's another thing that we didn't know if we were going to be able to add that, but in conjunction with Ball, we were able to figure out a way to add that center score clock, and that just, when you come in here for a hockey game to see that center score clock, it just really shows off the facility. The team that we worked with was just great. Gary, Rod, Brendan, Noah, Andy, Greg, just fantastic from day one. Whenever we had any sort of concerns with any equipment, with anything with the facility, to talk on the phone or have an on-site meeting with them, it made the problems go away, which was great. If you're a small municipality looking to build a facility such as this, the Ball team is excellent. The design build process worked fantastic. To be able to stay on budget and the Ball team being able to guide us through that process has been fantastic. We've talked to others that are looking at building facilities like this. We've shared our experiences with them. If you're a small municipality looking to build a multi-use recreation complex, Gary Hawk and Rod Aiken from Ball Construction are the guys to call.